Welcome to the timeless beauty of Xitang, an ancient water town nestled in Jiaxing, where the spirit of old China breathes through every stone and every ripple of water. With a history stretching back over 1,000 years, Xitang remains one of the most authentic and well-preserved water towns in the entire Yangtze River Delta region today. As we step into this living museum, you will see a landscape where the harmony between nature and human architecture has been perfected through dozens of generations of life. The town is a masterpiece of urban planning, where 9 rivers converge to create a network of waterways that dictate the rhythm and the flow of daily local life. Prepare to lose yourself in a world where the modern pace of the city disappears, replaced by the gentle sound of oars and the whisper of the coastal breeze. Xitang is home to over 100 ancient bridges, each varying in style from simple stone slabs to grand arched structures that serve as the town's primary landmarks. Wannan Bridge is perhaps the most celebrated, offering a panoramic view of the intersection where several rivers meet, making it a favorite spot for photographers and local painters. These bridges were not just functional crossings, they were symbols of the town's engineering prowess and served as vital social gathering points for the community during festival seasons. Many of the bridges feature intricate carvings of mythical creatures and traditional patterns intended to bring good fortune and safety to those who cross the water every day. Standing on the crest of an ancient arch, you can see the true scale of Xitang, watching the reflection of the black-tiled roofs shimmering in the slow-moving river current. The most iconic feature of Xitang is undoubtedly its langpeng, or covered corridors, which stretch for over 1,300 meters along the banks of the town's main canals. Unlike other water towns, Xitang's residents built these unique wooden shelters to protect both shopkeepers and pedestrians from the scorching summer sun and the frequent Jiangnan spring rains. Walking beneath these tiled roofs, you can explore the entire riverside without an umbrella, enjoying a cool and shaded environment that is unique to this specific water town. These corridors create a cozy and communal atmosphere where neighbors sit to drink tea, play chess, and watch the boats drift slowly past the historic wooden storefronts today. If you are enjoying this deep dive into China's historic treasures, please subscribe to our channel to support our mission of documenting the world's most beautiful places. As the sun dips below the horizon, Xitang undergoes a magical transformation as thousands of red lanterns are lit along the riverbanks and the covered corridors. The reflection of these glowing lights in the water creates a dreamlike atmosphere that has made Xitang one of the most famous night view destinations in all of China. The quiet lanes become mysterious and romantic, while the riverside bars and tea houses hum with a gentle energy as travelers enjoy the cool night air and music. Nighttime is the perfect time to take a traditional rowing boat tour, gliding silently under the illuminated bridges while listening to the soft splashes of the oarsman's paddle. This blend of ancient scenery and modern lighting design captures the New Jiangnan aesthetic, where heritage is celebrated with a touch of contemporary elegance and visual spectacle. As we conclude our journey through the corridors and lanes of Xitang, we are reminded of the resilience and the quiet beauty of China's traditional water civilizations. The town remains a testament to a time when life was lived in harmony with the water, and when architecture was built to protect and connect the community. Whether you come for the history, the food, or the peaceful atmosphere, Xitang offers a sensory experience that stays with you long after you have returned home today. It is a place where every bridge has a memory, and every corridor tells a tale of the millions of footsteps that have passed through its shade. Thank you for exploring Xitang with us. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to join us on our next cultural adventure.